In this recording in our series of creating surface and model geometries, I'll be continuing with surface models, and we'll talk about the options of CAD selection, select horizontal face, and select vertical faces. Let's first start with CAD selection. If I click on CAD selection, this allows us to pick a geometry from the CAD tree itself. If I were to go to the CAD tree now, and for example, to pick on this particular part of my model, you'll see that it highlighted the surfaces of that particular area. That and the radiuses on this side as well. When I click on resume, you'll see that all of those surfaces have now been picked automatically and put in as my geometry. That is the CAD selection option. Let me delete all of these, unselect all, and now we'll show you what select horizontal faces means. When I click on select horizontal faces, it'll automatically pick every single horizontal face that's on the part and put them inside my selection for surfaces. Unselect all, it will undo that. Select vertical faces will do just the opposite. This time it'll pick every face that is vertical. Select, and you see now all the vertical faces around the part, even inside over here, all of them have been chosen for my geometry. Click unselect all, and they all have been unselected.